Hello and welcome back to this Windows Server Home Lab series. And today we will going to be setting up shared folders in Active Directory. Our first activity is to set up a file sharing by creating shared folder. So let's start. This is our Windows Server Manager. We're going to create a folder. Click on our File Explorer, this PC. We will create a folder here. Name the folder shared. Then right click on this folder, properties. This is our folder. On the sharing, fancy sharing, click this box, select this box. Then here on the permission side, add the user's domain. We have added our user's domain. Come to the PC. This is our client machine. We're going to set up the file here, the shared file. Right click on this PC, mapped network drive. Drive will be on letter S. So here is asking the Windows Server name. On the CMD, find the host name or the server name. This is our server host name. So we have copied and pasted our host name server in the name of the folder. So we have created the file sharing on the machine client. This is our Windows server. And this is our folder that we have created. So we have saved this notepad on the Windows server on the shared folder that we have created. Let's go to the client machine. As you can see on our client machine, we can see the notepad that we have created. Now we will configure a group policy objective network map drive. So let's go to our group policy management. This is our group policy management. Click on the domain, create a GPO in this domain. The name will be mapped drive for the users. Let's right click, edit. In the user configuration, preference, Windows settings. This is the map drive. Let's create a new map drive. The location of the drive will be on this path, which is the Windows Server name and the folder name. And we're gonna select the letter that you prefer. And the label will be as shared. Click apply and then OK. We will move this GPO to the users. Let's go to our client machine. This is our client machine. This is our file explorer. So the share file is not here. Go to your CMD. On the CMD, we will gonna write gp update by force to implement it. We are updating the policy now. It's successfully updated. As you see, this is our shared folder that we have created. This is the drive map that we have created, and you can see it here. This is how to create shared folders in an Active Directory.